Hey there, fellow craftsmen. Ready to take your woodworking skills to the next level? Whether you're just starting out, have a few projects under your belt, or consider yourself a seasoned pro, this video is packed with tips to help you unlock your full woodworking potential. Let's kick things off with beginners. If you're new to woodworking, start with the basics. Invest in quality tools like a reliable saw, a sturdy workbench, and a set of chisels. Trust me, having the right tools makes all the difference. Practice simple projects like birdhouses, picture frames, or even small shelves. These will help you get a feel for the materials and techniques without feeling overwhelmed. Now, for those of you at the intermediate level, you've got some experience and you're ready to tackle more complex projects. Try your hand at creating custom furniture pieces like coffee tables, bookshelves, or even a wooden bike. Yes, you heard that right, a wooden bike. It's challenging but incredibly rewarding. Focus on perfecting your joinery skills, like dovetails and mortise and tenon joints. These techniques will give your projects that professional touch. For the pros out there, it's time to push the boundaries. Think outside the box. Or should I say, outside the shed? Consider building larger structures like garden sheds, lofts, or even tiny houses. Experiment with different types of wood and finishes to create unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. And don't forget to refine your craftsmanship by paying attention to the smallest details. It's those finishing touches that really set your work apart. Regardless of your skill level, remember that safety comes first. Always wear your safety gear. Goggles, gloves, and hearing protection are a must. And make sure your workspace is well ventilated. All right, let's talk about some universal tips that apply to everyone. First, always measure twice and cut once. This age-old advice can save you a lot of headaches and wasted materials. Second, take your time. Rushing through a project often leads to mistakes and accidents. And finally, never stop learning. Watch tutorials, read books, and don't be afraid to ask for advice from more experienced woodworkers. Now for a call to action. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more woodworking wisdom. Share your projects and progress in the comments below. I'd love to see what you're working on. And remember, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or pro, there's always something new to learn and create in the world of woodworking. Thanks for watching and happy woodworking.